The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book written by Dave Ramsey, a popular radio host and financial guru. The book is a step-by-step guide to financial success that helps readers pay off debt, save money, and build wealth. The book begins by outlining the importance of financial responsibility and the dangers of living with debt. Ramsey then introduces his baby steps to financial success, which include saving a $1,000 emergency fund, paying off all debt, except for the mortgage, using the debt snowball method, saving a fully funded emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, investing 15% of household income into retirement accounts, saving for children's college education, paying off the mortgage, building wealth and giving generously. Throughout the book, Ramsey provides practical advice and real-life examples to help readers implement his strategies and achieve financial success. He covers topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and increasing income, and encourages readers to take control of their finances and make the most of their money.